In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to check your battery level on your 8BitDo Ultimate 2 controller. So the easiest way to actually check it, I'm going to show you, is to actually connect it via this type of cable right here, as you can see, to your computer. So I think it's the USB-C cable, I think it's called, because it should have this type of charger in here that you can just insert it into. So I'm just going to insert it right now. So now when you have inserted it right here, as you can see, and the other end to your computer, we're going to now actually, I'm going to show you, we have to go into settings here on our computer. So we're going to go into settings and then go into Bluetooth section. So in the Bluetooth section, you should be able to see 8BitDo Ultimate 2 wireless right here. It says connected, but it also says 86% right here for me, as you can see. So this is the exact battery level currently for my controller. You can, by the way, you don't have to actually connect it via cable if you don't have one. You can just click one time on this button, and if you have already connected your controller to your computer before, so just by clicking on this button, it should recognize that controller once again and automatically connect it. If not, you will be able to find it here on nearby devices. If you switch, I think it's right here, you need to switch it right here to the Bluetooth mode right here, as you can see. So it's either 2.4 Gs here, or you have to switch it to Bluetooth. So switch it to Bluetooth, and then you should be able to find it in nearby devices right here. But for me, it's connected, and here's the exact battery percentage right here. And that is basically exactly how to check how much battery your 8BitDo Ultimate 2 controller actually has.